Before we begin, I would like to share a quick note. This course is presented using an AI-generated instructor for clarity, consistency, and production quality. However, the entire curriculum, scripts, case studies, and examples have been carefully designed and reviewed by experienced IT auditors with more than 10 years of industry experience. And some of them are still employed with reputed firms. The content reflects real-world audit practices, practical scenarios, and governance standards used in professional environments. We also understand that not everyone prefers learning through an AI-delivered format. If you are looking for more personalized guidance, we have you covered. You can reach out to us at support@IT-Infotek.com to learn more about our one-to-one training, personalized training programs designed for high success rates. Corporate training, programs designed to upskill your workforce. 1 month on-the-job mentorship programs designed to get real-time support and perform your job with confidence. Mock certification preparation scenarios with mock tests designed to boost your confidence and certification success. Thank you for being here, and let's begin.